Hey guys, Big Schmuck here and welcome back to some more Don't Starve. Today we are doing a little bit of Don't Starve together. Don't worry, I'm not with anybody. This is just the game that I have all of my mods on and all that kind of stuff because I can't survive for the shit of me, so yeah. Let's just get into this. I kind of forget how to do the whole thing. Host game. Let's do cooperative. Let's schmuck. Spelled that wrong. We're gonna do the schmuck tank because we always oh yeah, by the way, where mods I don't know what the hell these mods are. These are the ones my friend told me to download. Dumbest shit ever. Is everything good? I don't really care about portable crockpot. Okay, that's done. Let's do forests. I want to get rid of one thing for the sake of actually being able to play the game. That is hounds. I want hounds at none because hounds are the main reason why I always die. So with those taken away, I think we're all good to go. I honestly, okay, wait. Yeah, why not update them? That shouldn't take too long, hopefully. Yep, there we go. All done. Okay, now let's generate this sexy old world and get into it. I'm just gonna cut it into the video when we get into it, so you guys, I'll save you guys the good old pain of actually not having to watch me. You get it. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, that took, how do I say this, a little bit longer than I originally thought it would. It's no biggie at all. I have seen some interesting playthroughs with Weber, so I'm gonna try him out. I also have some customization stuff I want to try out. Ooh, what's the, ooh, I like that. Okay, that's that. Let's do the little snazzy panties right there. And what do I all have in here? I don't like that one fucking bit, if I'm gonna be completely... Ooh, do I have those? I do not have those. Okay, what do I have? Oh, yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's get into it. Let's survive. Okay, this shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna regret saying that probably. But like usual, let's just start off with getting ourselves the basic tools. We need axe, pickaxe, that kind of stuff. We need a gauntlet or whatever. What is this called? Garland. Okay, I'm a little slow. Pardon me. But yeah, but I can't talk today. I'm sorry. I'm still rusty from the whole break and everything. But we need to get some flint, and we need to build an axe and some pickaxes so we can actually get some materials and get everything started off. In my opinion, we've had a great start already. Look at all these berries and all the food around us. The game is called Don't Starve, so the goal of the game, like the whole goal is not to starve. So this is actually a fantastic start. Later on, I do want to dig all of these up and bring them closer to my base originally. Well, what am I trying to say? I'm sorry. I'm a little slow. But yeah, dig them up, bring them closer to where I need them, all that fun jazz. But another thing is, since we're Weber, we can't really hang around pigs too much because pigs will kill us because we're considered a monster now. And that's kind of mean. Alright, there we go. We got enough to make a pickaxe and an axe, which is pretty darn mint. That means we can get a fire pit and place down all quickly. So let's just get some wood real quick so we can make the fireplace, and then we have to go get some stone. Stone shouldn't be too much of a problem. We already found like 2 rocks and everything. My biggest concern right now and the threat to my life is getting a tree monster, because that thing will just wipe me out immediately, but I highly doubt that's going to happen anytime soon. So yeah. Alright, so if you guys haven't already noticed, I'm just a little bit better at regular Don't Starve than Don't Starve Shipwreck, mainly because Don't Starve Shipwreck, you don't have to worry about going to other islands to get so much food, but right here, everything's on one exact island, and it is beautiful. So where's my portal? Portal's right down here, because I want to build the base around the portal, because, first of all, why the hell not? Second of all, if I ever want to invite some friends over onto the server, that'll be amazing, it'll be easy, it'll be simple, they won't have to look everywhere for the dang thing. And yeah, it'll just be hot and heavy and sexy and all that kind of jazz. Why am I fucking stuck? Okay, internet is taking a deuce. Sorry about that. Alright, there we go. We already have a spawn point set, basically, which is very, very nice to do. By the way, mods, I should make a list in the description if anybody ever wants to, like, use them or anything like that, but you guys probably play a little bit better Don't Starve than I do, so yeah, I doubt you guys will need them. We need to get a garland because our... Wait. Oh, wrong button. Why? Okay, just wait. I'll be back. Alright, so, in my defense, I simply just forgot to put the server on friends only, and a nice gentleman named Fat Fuck joined, so I kind of had to deal with that whole thing, so yeah. Sorry about that, guys. Took a little bit longer than I expected it to, but hopefully we can get back to the regular playthrough now. Yeah, not too happy with myself in that one. But anyway, so we got, okay, it's about halfway through, is it dusk, I want to say? Yeah, let's just go with dusk. So we have to be back at home, obviously, before night. So right now I'm just gathering up some materials to be able to fuel the fire and maybe craft some items while we're in the dark. Alright, so I do kind of want to set up a tree farm. Not close enough to where it will burn, but just like a little row of trees right here. Because these birch nuts are extremely good for, I think, is it winter or is it a different season? Either way, they basically give you food, and they are seeds, so you can plant them if you need trees and that kind of stuff. I'm stuttering so bad. I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. But I say we just keep... Okay, so today's video, I have about 15 minutes left to record because, you know, busy schedule with school and everything. So I say a good time suck would maybe to be trying to get a science machine all up and running, which would be kind of nice before we end this episode off here. By the way, anybody seeing this is going into the Don't Starve Shipwreck or just the regular Don't Starve playlist. So if you guys are looking for the playlist or anything like that, it will be in there. Nighttime do be kind of scary though. I don't know why. Because in this game, during nighttime, when it is like your max sanity, it is actually kind of beautiful and nice. But when you get down to like 30 or like 30 sanity, it's absolutely fucking insanely scary. It's nuts. Well, not insanely. You get what you're smelling what I'm stepping in. I am clicking all the wrong buttons. Alright, so we're all back up on hunger, and it is the next day, so let's get that garland finally. I think there are enough flowers right here to get it, so yeah. Because our sanity is taking quite the beating. It's only down like 2%, but you get the point. Well, actually, it's due to us picking flowers that puts it up, so yeah. I think this like increases your sanity by like 3 per day, and it slows it during nighttime, so it's not actually that bad. I'm not sure why this is here. Can you go to Shipwreck and Don't Starve together now, or am I just losing my mind? I may just be going insane, but I did hear about it a while ago that maybe sooner than later we'll be able to actually go into Don't Starve Shipwrecked through Don't Starve Together. I don't know how the hell they would make that to be able to be compatible, but you know what? I'm not dissing it. It would be kind of fun though to kind of switch stuff up every once in a while. Oh, by the way, sorry, I'm really dry on the whole talking side today. It hasn't been exactly the easiest. I might as well just let you guys know this right now. These first couple of episodes, like usual, are not going to be very fun. I just have to take this time to kind of gather up resources, explore the world before we get into the real stuff. I want to explore the world like off camera and all that kind of stuff, but I feel bad because actually, you look over there. That's what we need for today's goal. Might not be all bad. We need to get this shit before the moles do though. Oh, I hate moles. Can I kill it? Can I kill it? Can I kill it? Okay, hi. Hi, you die, okay? Thank you very much. Give me your food. Give me your food. No, give me your soul. Oh, God, tall birds. You're mean to me. Actually, no, we got gold now. Gold's good. I like gold. Gold's nice. And of course, we don't have enough room for it. Why would we? Alright, just drop some night. I don't want the night. That's good for later on, but not for right now. That's for when we get into the summer and all that kind of stuff. We have a long ways to go before we get to summer, by the way. Like, a long way. Precisely 14 days, so we're probably gonna die then. But yeah, we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Oh, we can build... Oh, we might as well just head back right now because we can build a science machine. Oh, I forgot about that. You don't need any electrical doodads or any fancy stuff like that. You literally just need gold nuggets. Might as well pick some more up while we're here so we don't always have to run back and forth. Although it is pretty close to our base, which is pretty darn nice. So we don't have to go all the way across the map to get where we need to go. And to get our good old gold nuggies, because gold nuggies are literally the future of this game, because we need to build we need to build the alchemy engine, electrical doodads, all that kind of funky jazz, this makes it a lot easier, I'll just tell you that. Will I get killed if I go here? I don't think I will. Okay, that's nice. I want to try to get enough gold nuggets to the point where we can literally just build the alchemy engine right after we build the science machine. I hope that'll work just fine. Alright, so if everything is correct, and I did my math correct... Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, we're not going to mess with him. I know how to kite him and kill him and all that kind of stuff, but I'm not going to be bothered. So that takes... Oh, that just takes 1 gold nugget? Oh, we got more than enough gold to be able to make that. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, God, I really hope this playthrough actually goes through, because it'll be a good one if I actually don't die. How far away is my portal? Oh, it's just down there. Okay. Because I didn't... Ooh, what's this? Oh, that's a stick tree, I think. They're really weird. They just, like, you chop it down and it gives you, like, sticks, and obviously it's pinecone, but yeah, it's kind of funky. And we're back at the good old home where everything sucks and life is literally just a lie. but our trees have grown. That's all that really matters. Okay, where's my wood? Get that up and going, put the night down. All right, it's crafting time, boys. This, which one do I want it at? I think that's the middle right there. You know what? It's good enough. Okay, so, what? We're gonna make that here in a little bit, but we have to do this stuff first. So, I think I need, like, how much of these do I need? So electrical do that takes 1, that needs 2, so I just need 4. That's not too bad. I keep forgetting how easy it is to make alchemy engines and stuff. Make that, make that. Okay, I need some boards. Never mind, it's not that easy. Alright, so it's a new day, and I think, okay, how many boards? Okay, we need a total of 8 logs. Shouldn't take too long to get, just because we need 4 more boards. Well, 2 more boards, technically, but 8 more logs to be able to build the elk. God, I talk way faster than I can breathe. Holy shit. I need to stop doing that. Oh my god, my inventory's full too. Oh god, what do we not need? We need all of this, actually. I'll drop the stone right now. We don't really need that too much. Alright, that should be more than enough. Oh yeah, need to make a backpack. Can I make a backpack? If I can make a backpack, then I'm gonna be a happy camper. Oh, do I need... Ooh, I got some good skins for that. That's pretty neat. Okay. Get by you. Go down here. Build us a backpack. Did I make a raccoon one? I made a raccoon one. Oh, hell yeah, man. Okay, come up here. Go to refine. Make 2 of these bad boys. Go right here. Go to that. Place it in the correct... can I... Wait, okay. Just wait a second, everybody. There we go. Alchemy engine has been done. Splodow. Thank you all very much for watching. I know this is a very, very short episode of Don't Starve, but the reason being is because, well, why not? I kind of have been on a tight schedule. I like to have my free time during the day. I've been working a lot harder at YouTube, if you guys can't tell. It is kind of hard to tell. I'm a pretty shitty YouTuber, but yeah, I put as much time as I kind of can because my mental stability comes before anything. I know how stupid that sounds, but I'm not putting my other stuff at risk just because I'm a kid who wants to do YouTube as a career. But yeah, I had fun today. We got a little bit of stuff done. As you can see, I'm just planting some more trees because these will come in very handy later on. But yeah, thank you all very much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. I hope you all have a fantastic day today.